Inis nyo. Yok. So we have negative 2. Mali. 2 negative 5 na lang. So 2. Yan. Negative 5. Part. And oy, diyan nagreklamo, nag-English kasi ako guys. Ayoko nag-English kasi mas trip ko magtuturo ng Tagalog. Mabait kaya ako. Hindi. Hindi. Ay, joke lang. Di ba bait na ako guys? Di ba, Tagalog kasi ako nagtuturo. Hindi, bala kayo dyan. Ikaw na lang magturo. So let's proceed to find the distance between the 2 points of the points are 2, -5 and 7, 4. So if you want to graph, you can use this one, or anyways, let's graph it. So we have Cartesian. So we have 2, -5, so 2 units from the x-axis to the right. Then -5 is downward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the point of 2, -5. So we have 7, 4. So 7 units from the origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 units upward because our y is 4 positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the other point. So if you connect these 2 points, you need to find the distance of that line, of that point. So we need the distance formula, which is x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 then square. Then remember, this will become x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So just plug those variables to your given formula. So we have x sub 2, which is 7, minus our x sub 1, which is 2. Then square those numbers. Plus our y sub 2 is 4, minus our y sub 1 is -5. Then square those numbers. Don't forget the radical sign. Then simplify. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then square. Then plus 4 minus -5, that is 4 plus 5, which is 9 square. Then square root. So this will become 25 plus 9 squared is 81. So square root. So 25 plus 81, that is 106 square root. So you can try prime factorization again to find the simplest form of the square root of 106. So just like what I did a while ago. Wow. So we have 2 because the number is divisible by 2. So we have 53. But I guess this is the simplest form of this, because you can divide it na. Nagtagalog. Anyways, this is the distance between 2 points.